Evening all. I haven't completely neglected the Lister Junior project, the A-Type and A16. Been mostly working on this little Stuart Turner A4 water pump recently, and that's all done now, ready to rally, so been carrying on with the Lister. A couple of weeks ago I started stripping the paint off one of the flywheels, which is a hateful job, using an angle grinder and wire brush to do that, but that's going alright, we're getting there. A few other small bits I've looked at, I've loosened off the fittings in the carb, that sort of thing, so it's ready when I want to come back to it another time. I've painted the crankcase and cylinder in primer. So I took the fuel pump apart last time I did any work on the engine. So I've just spent today shining it up a bit with the wire brush, spent an hour or so on it this afternoon. And I've repacked the gland in there as well, cleaned up all the ball bearings, so it's working a lot better. Before it needed a head of petrol behind it to actually pump anything, whereas now it will lift fuel. We've just got some white spirit in here, which it will lift quite nicely. So that works no trouble. So I'm quite pleased with that really, that's quite an improvement. Should help the engine to run nicely anyway. So yeah, once I've done the flywheels I've just got a few smaller parts to clean up, strip the paint off, the magnetos over the back there, and I think I'm probably going to get a rewound coil in that. It's worth doing, and those Lucas mags aren't the best, so new coil and condenser I suspect. So yeah, flywheels, I've got that base to do, and if anyone excuse me, if anyone has got a base, one of these bases that's complete with all the lugs, because mine's missing one, then let me know please. So that's the plan anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll add a few pictures of some of the other jobs I've done. Okay, thanks for watching, take care.